In a few hours, rats, cockroaches, and other insects in your home will be gone. If you're dealing with an infestation of rats, cockroaches, and other insects in your home or garden and prefer to avoid the use of dangerous poisons, I have the solution my father shared with me. This remedy is completely safe and does not involve the use of poisonous substances. Tell me which pest is most common in your home, rats or cockroaches. To safely and effectively eliminate both types of pests, you can use a simple homemade preparation. For this trick, we'll be adding 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to a container. Let's mix all the ingredients evenly. When rats consume flour, it can expand in their stomachs due to liquid absorption, which could cause digestive problems. Meanwhile, tell me which country or city you're watching from to send a special greeting in the next video. The greetings for this video are for Artur Nagatani, who watches us from Japan, and another greeting for Marcia Tavares, who watches us from Brazil. Thank you for always watching and enjoying our recipes. To complete this mixture, we'll be using 6 cucumber slices. We'll apply the mixture we made earlier to each of the cucumber slices you previously cut and place them in areas where cockroaches and rats are known to appear, such as the kitchen or living room. The digestion process will take approximately 1 hour, so you must be patient. When rats consume this mixture, it will expand in their stomachs due to the yeast present in the baking soda. As a result, they won't be able to digest properly and will eliminate all the rats and cockroaches. This method is highly effective against cockroaches, as these insects cannot tolerate the smell of cucumber and will avoid areas with that fragrance. Cockroaches already near the slices will be attracted by the sugar and consume the mixture. The baking soda will be lethal to these insects, causing them to fall over with their legs up. One of the reasons I like to use this combination is because it's very safe, with no risk of accidental poisoning for children or pets in your home. Additionally, elimination is effective and quick. Rats and cockroaches will be attracted by the bait. These tips represent natural and economical alternatives to traditional methods of pest extermination. Best of all, the ingredients needed for this trick are easy to find at any supermarket. And the best part is that they are inexpensive ingredients, meaning you won't have to spend large amounts of money on expensive chemicals or exterminator services. If you want to get rid of a rat, cockroach, or other insect infestation safely, effectively, and economically, these homemade tips are the perfect solution. Their simplicity and effectiveness make them attractive options for anyone facing these issues. I invite you to try this trick at home. If you've watched this trick this far, it's a sign that you're enjoying our video. So please write down your country or city below so I can send a greeting in the next tip. Thank you very much for watching until the end.